3 smart tips for parents on how to make the martial art lessons make a difference in their child's life. Certainly some parents enroll their kids in class because it's something to do. The academy is close by, the football season is over, or a friend is in class and it's affordable. We don't frown on that at all. We are parents too, and we know exactly what that means. But some parents enroll their child in martial arts classes because the training holds the promise of many fine lessons, and the hope is the lessons will instill some very fine character traits, like the courage to say no, the determination to succeed even when it's not easy, the confidence to create, the patience to know good things are coming, the perseverance to see the plans through to fruition, and respect for both self and others, which is the mark of an evolved and highly functioning human being. The parents that want these things and others see the instructor as a helper in this mission. I offer 3 tips for helping the teacher help you. Number 1, make sure your child attends classes regularly, and that means twice a week in good times and bad, when it's easy and when it's tough, and when they want to come and when they don't. Of course, it's normal to miss class now and then, but in the end, keeping your child involved over the long term is where the habits are formed, where the skills are practiced, and where the transformation takes place. Number 2, watch 1 class a week, or better still, get involved. In fact, just by watching this video, you can ask for a free 2-week pass. Whether you watch or whether you practice yourself, you're going to see what the instructor is doing, which gives you a chance to enforce the same practice at home. Number 3, ask for help when your child's motivation is low. When you're a parent, you have a lot of plates to spin, and when your child hits the wall in his or her practice, and everybody hits the wall, you want to give in to the pressure and drop out. But dropping out is the end to any help we can offer. Call us or come in and see us when you need help, and together we will weather the storm, and someday we will look back and realise how important this crisis was and what we will learn from it. I hope these 3 suggestions help you in seeing this amazing journey through. I started studying when I was 13 years old. I am now 40. All I can say is, Mum, Dad, thanks.